Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HSGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, want to keep things updated here. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just get rid of that line there. Sure, that level pertains to the chart, but from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And really the two main levels that I've talked about before. So this isn't really an update here, but more so kind of confirmation would be an accurate term. First bit of confirmation comes via 24.5 cents, which you can see after today's price movement definitely was confirmed as an area of resistance. Good news is the price was actually able to push up above it a few times, but as far as ever being able to stay up above it, that's where the price failed, and prices since fallen down below it. Point here being that 24.5 cents definitely confirmed as that initial area of resistance. And the other bit of confirmation comes via this level down here at the green line, which I talked about again on Wednesday's video, and you can see that with the bigger pullback that happened earlier in the day, surprise, surprise, I promised I have not moved the green line, but the level broke and bounced right off of that area. So good to see that that is also been confirmed as an area of support, and that's sitting right down there around 22.5 cents. So definitely keep an eye on those two key main levels going forward. Again, support side of things 22.5, resistance side of things 24.5. As far as the big picture of things, everything is still perfectly fine and remains perfectly fine as long as this sort of price action continues. What do I mean by that? Well, as long as the price keeps putting in lows like this. What do I mean by this? Well, as long as those lows keep getting higher and higher, or if you want to envision these as stair steps. So as long as the big picture stair steps continued to get higher and higher, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So yes, resistance levels matter, but they actually don't matter that much because, like I said, as long as the price is building those higher stair steps, then eventually the price will work its way higher as the chart literally runs out of room, and it's got to find, in order to find new area on the chart, it just got to simply go higher, aka break those levels of resistance. So like I said, focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on continuing to chip away at those higher bases, and sit back and let the trend keep on doing its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.